Hello students. Uh, in this question we are going to understand that how to find the individual currents and voltages across the resistances. So we are given firstly the parallel combination of two resistances 2 ohm and 12 ohm. They are connected across a battery of 20 volt. Okay. The question is that we have to find the current and voltage here and current and voltage here. So what are the asked things that in form of a table I have shown you. For 2 ohm and 12 ohm we have to calculate voltage and current. Now we will take the help of the property of parallel, that voltage remains same in parallel. We have to remember this thing. And students, always remember that the derivations we have to start with the thing which is not same, but numerical we have to start with the thing which is same. So in parallel voltage is same, so we start the solution with the voltage. Okay, so firstly the voltage values of these two resistances we will write. So battery voltage 20 volt, it is applied to 12 ohm also and to 2 ohm also. So 20 volt is applied here also, 20 volt is applied here also. This is the property of parallel, that whatever is the battery voltage available, that is available same for all the resistances. So this thing is already calculated. So across 2 ohm and 12 ohm voltage are calculated easily. So we will just note down here. 2 ohm voltage is 20 volt and 12 ohm voltage is also 20 volt. Now the next step is that we have to calculate the current. So we will take the help of another property V equal to IR, Ohm's law. And for current we can write V by R. That means students, if I we have to solve for any resistance, that means we should know voltage and resistance. That means in this formula, out of the three variables, if any two things we know, then we can find the third one. So like if V and R are known to us for any resistance, we can solve current. So now think, if for this 2 ohm resistance, voltage you know, resistance you know, can you calculate the current? I1. So the answer is yes. Current is solved by V1 by R1. What is V1? 20. And what is R1? Resistance number first, 2 ohm. This way the current will be calculated as 10 ampere. So 10 ampere is the answer. Current 1. In the same manner, current 2, I2. This will be obtained by V2 by R2. So voltage number second is 20. That means voltage of second resistor. And resistance of second resistor is 12. So if we cancel the common term, it is 10 by 6 ampere. So we will get here 10 by 6 ampere. So this way we have calculated the voltage and currents of two resistances in parallel. In the second part of the question, we are given two resistances in series now. 2 ohm and 12 ohm are given in series across the battery of 20 volt. And we have to find same things, currents and voltages across these two resistances. The change is that now these two resistances are connected in series. Okay, so series property says that current remains same in series. That means whatever current flows through the battery, that same goes in first resistor and same goes in second resistor. So we have to start the solution with the current calculation. Okay, now current formula total current formula. We need first of all the total current. So total current formula is total volt upon total resistance. Total volt of this circuit is 20 and total resistance. So we have 2 ohm and 12 ohm in series. So total resistance will become 14 because 2 plus 12 is 14 ohm. So in series we can directly add the two resistances to get total resistance. Okay. Now this total is only done for current calculation. Otherwise they are individual only, individual resistances. So we have got the total current as 10 by 7 ampere. Okay. So this total current of 10 by 7 ampere, this flows through first resistor also, second resistor also. So we can write here that the current for both the resistances is same as 10 by 7 ampere. Now this step was extra because in the parallel combination the voltages directly are equal to battery. But here current we have to calculate, total current, and then we have to write. Okay, after getting the current value, we can calculate now the voltages. Okay, we know that in series the voltage distributes. So 20 volt is divided into two parts, but it is not 10 volt and 10 volt because these two resistances are not of equal value. Okay, so if equal resistances are given, you can easily write equal voltages. That means 20 volt will be divided as 10 volt and 20 volt in case of equal resistances. But now the resistances are different. So we will take the help of again Ohm's law. V equal to IR. We have to calculate voltage. So we should know current and resistance of one resistor. Okay. So let us calculate voltage first. So I1 R1. What is the current of first resistor? It is 10 by 7 and resistance is 2. So the answer is 20 by 7 volt. What is voltage second? So I2 R2. For second resistor, current is 10 by 7 and resistance is 12. So it will become 120 by 7 volt. You can add the two voltages for checking. If V1 and V2 are added, 20 by 7 and 120 by 7, are we getting 20 volt equal to battery volt? Yes. So this way the checking can also be done, and this way we solve the series and parallel individual currents and voltages.